for the most exciting part, the lunch reception for the newlywed celebration of the beginning of their new life together as married couple.
So sit down and relax the rest of the afternoon.
Let's toast.
Let's toast.
Okay, everyone.
On your side.
Okay.
Tindok, tindok.
Waiting.
Kayo. Kunin natin yung Ganing ilang kakape.
Please now invite the couple of cooperate with each other's toast for their lighted contents. We wish them an enjoying life of love. Let's stand to cheers to the couple. Cheers!
Thank you. Ano, kunin natin yung ano. Yung din.